Ever wondered if you could power your home with the sun? Imagine your electric bill dropping and your lights staying on during a blackout. Today, we are building your very own home solar power system from scratch. This is your complete beginner's guide to renewable energy. Creating a solar system might seem complex, but it is actually a straightforward process of connecting a few key components together properly. In this guide, we will walk through every step, from the basic science to the final installation. You don't need to be an engineer. At its core, a solar system is an energy factory. It starts with panels that capture sunlight and turn it into direct current electricity. This energy flows through a controller into a battery bank for storage, so you have power even when the sun goes down. Finally, an inverter converts that stored power into AC electricity, which is what your household appliances and lights actually use. Let's look at the components first, the solar panels. These are your energy source, capturing photons to generate power from the sky. Next is the charge controller. This acts as the brain, protecting your batteries by regulating the voltage coming from the panels. The battery bank is your storage unit. It holds energy for use at night or during cloudy days, ensuring constant power supply. The inverter transforms DC electricity into standard AC power. This allows you to plug in your laptop, fridge, and phone chargers. Don't forget the wiring. Using the right gauge cables and adding fuses is essential to keep your system safe and efficient. There are three main system types. Off-grid systems are completely independent, perfect for remote cabins or tiny homes without utility lines. Grid-tied systems are common in cities. They send excess power back to the utility company, which can lower your monthly bill. Hybrid systems offer the best of both worlds, keeping you connected to the grid while providing battery backup for emergencies. Before you buy anything, you must calculate your load. List every appliance you plan to run, like fans, lights, and TVs. Multiply the wattage of each device by the hours of use. This gives you your total daily consumption in watt-hours. To size your panels, divide your daily load by the peak sun hours in your area. This tells you how many panels you need. For the battery, multiply your load by the days of backup required. Always account for depth of discharge to protect battery life. Installation starts with mounting panels at the best angle toward the sun. Then, connect your battery to the controller first. Next, connect the panels to the controller, and finally the inverter. Following this specific order is vital for system safety. Safety is paramount. Use insulated tools, wear gloves, and always install circuit breakers between every major component to prevent fires. A basic DIY system can cost between $300 to $1,500. Avoid common mistakes like using cheap, undersized wires or buying poor batteries. Building your own solar system is a rewarding journey toward energy independence. You are now ready to power your life with the sun. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your DIY progress in the comments below. See you next time.